Let's revisit the F.I.R.E.S acronym that outlines the personal strategic planning process that this video series and book will lead you through. Because it is a backronym, we'll start at the end and work our way to the beginning. So number one, spiritual fire. When you use the first lighter to start an intentional and well-managed fire, you cleanse your vision by clearing away clutter and create the conditions of regeneration in your life. We use the image of a lighter that starts a controlled fire to clear away unproductive vegetation and make your land more fertile. This component of the process is your starting point for creating the life you want and need. It's your foundation. Spiritual, the first component of the F.I.R.E.S system, is geared towards defining what matters the most to you. Things like your core values and your beliefs, and what success in this area of your life would look like, so you can create a personal definition strategy. It also includes things like analyzing your spiritual situation, envisioning various scenarios in which you try out various approaches to getting to where you want to go spiritually. It also includes evaluating the solution you choose to figure out whether you're on course towards realizing your personal definition strategy. Number two, external fire. When you use the second lighter to start a cooking fire in your courtyard, you're able to prepare a large, sustaining meal for your community. We use the image of a cooking fire to represent the contribution you make to your community and/or the world at large. External, the second component of the F.I.R.E.S system, is geared towards defining the social contribution you would like to make so that you can create a social contribution strategy. It includes things like analyzing your social or community situation, envisioning various scenarios in which you try out various approaches to getting to where you want to go in terms of making a social contribution. It includes evaluating the solution you chose to figure out whether you're on course towards realizing your social contribution strategy. Number three, relational fire. When you use the third lighter to start a fire in the fireplace that warms your home, you're able to keep those closest to you warm and nurtured. We use the image of a fire in your home's fireplace to represent the personal contribution you make to family and friends and the measures you take to keep your closest relationships healthy. Relational, the third component of the F.I.R.E.S system, is geared towards defining the way you would like to develop your closest relationships so that you can create a relationship development strategy. It includes things like analyzing your relational situation, envisioning various scenarios in which you try out various approaches to getting to where you want to go in terms of developing your relationships. It includes evaluating the solution you choose to figure out whether you're on course towards realizing your relationship development strategy. Number four, internal fire. When you use the fourth lighter to light the lantern in your home, you're enabling yourself to move confidently around in the places you inhabit every day. We use the image of a lantern in your home to represent the daily choices you make to live a holistically healthy life. These choices allow you to develop into the person you most want to become. Internal, the fourth component of the F.I.R.E.S system, is geared towards defining the way you would like to live your daily life, things like hobbies and self-care strategies, so that you can create a personal development strategy. It includes analyzing your personal development situation, envisioning various scenarios in which you try out various approaches to getting to where you want to go in terms of developing yourself. It includes evaluating the solution you choose to figure out whether you're on course towards realizing your personal development strategy. Number 5, financial fire. When you use the fifth and final lighter to light the torches that surround your home, you're creating a secure space for yourself in which you can keep the wolves from the door. We use the image of torches surrounding your home to represent a good professional or financial situation that makes the most of what you have. These torches support and protect all of the good results you want to see in the spiritual, external, relational, and internal spheres of your life. So financial, the fifth and final component of the F.I.R.E. system, is geared towards defining the way you would like to earn your living and manage your financial affairs so that you can create a professional development strategy. It includes analyzing your professional or financial situation, envisioning various scenarios in which you try out various approaches to getting to where you want to go in terms of your profession and finances. It includes evaluating the solution you chose to figure out whether you're on course towards realizing your professional development strategy.